Hello and welcome to Parrot's training videos for the AnapiAi. In this video, we'll walk through charging your system. Let's begin.
Let's start by removing the battery from the AnapiAi. To do so, press on the release button on the back of the battery and slide it out. To check the charge of the battery, press on the power button once.
If you press the power button on the AnapiAi's battery and no LEDs lit up, it most likely means that your battery is in wintering mode. The battery will put itself into wintering mode after 10 days of inactivity. This will help preserve the life of the battery. To wake the battery up, simply plug it into power via the USB-C port on the back.
To charge the battery for the AnapiAi, unpack the charger and the cables. Plug the USB-C cables into the back of the charger, unfold the prongs, and plug the charger into an outlet. Now, plug the USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the back of the AnapiAi battery. Your battery is now charging. The AnapiAi Smart LiPo battery will tell you in real time its charge level. LED 1 flashing means the battery is between 0 and 25% charged. LED 1 steady and LED 2 flashing means the battery is between 25 and 50% charged. With LEDs 1 and 2 steady and LED 3 flashing, the battery is between 50 and 75% charged. And with LEDs 1, 2, and 3 steady and LED 4 flashing, the battery is between 75 and 100% charged. When the battery is plugged in and all LEDs are off, the battery is fully charged. To charge the Sky Controller 4, plug the USB-C into the port on the bottom of the Sky Controller 4. When the LED is no longer blinking, the battery is fully charged.
Your battery should now be charged and ready for flight. In the next video, we'll talk about downloading the free Flight 7 application and logging into my Parrot. Thanks for tuning into Parrot's training videos for the AnapiAi.